Introducing the Level 6 BEng Product Design and Development Engineer Apprenticeship, a dynamic program designed to enhance core engineering knowledge and electrification skills. Electrification is the key to achieving net zero carbon emissions. It's a massive opportunity for businesses of all sizes. This apprenticeship has been designed with industry partners to ensure your organisation has the skills and expertise needed for the future. Employers can choose from 4 specialism pathways: power electronics machines and drives, batteries, advanced manufacturing, and electrical and electronic engineering. The 4-year course uses a flexible, blended day release model with 4 days per week in the workplace and 1 day per week learning at university. This includes in-person and online learning, workplace mentoring, project-based work, and campus visits for training and workshops. Training costs are fully funded for levy-paying organisations through the Apprenticeship Levy. For non-levy-paying SMEs, you can access 95% government funding with only a small 5% co-investment. For more information, visit us at ncl.ac.uk/electrical-engineer and discover how the Level 6 BEng Product Design and Development Engineering Apprenticeship can help drive engineering innovation in your organisation.